I've been accused of really supporting one airline, Emirates Airlines, in terms of a lot of the developments and growth in other parts of the world by some people, which is really not true. And I just want to make that very clear. I mean, yes, Emirates is an airline I've worked with on many projects throughout the world and spent a lot of time with them in the UAE in particular, but as I have with other airlines as well. And to bring the story, I really want to bring this story home about forming relationships with the right partners for business and for community. This is what it's all about, and this is the message I'm really trying to get across to Transport Scotland in terms of turning Prestwick around. And all I want to do is I want to see a flourishing community in that part of the country, for Scotland and for the UK as a whole. So okay, let's get off the subject of Emirates and Sky Cargo for a minute. Let's talk about Qatar. Have a look at this video.
Pittsburgh will probably always be known as the Steel City. But in recent years, our region's economy has diversified. And thanks to a new partnership between Pittsburgh International Airport and Qatar Airways Cargo, we now have the opportunity to become a logistics center and manufacturing hub, supporting and strengthening the American import and export markets.
It's a fantastic opportunity for us to create a logistics center right here in Pittsburgh. It reflects the shift in where we are from a steel manufacturing economy to a diversified economy focused on advanced manufacturing.
What this does for our region is this serves a different type of freight for our airport. Large, bulky, heavy, dense equipment and shipments that give us an additional product offering from Pittsburgh International Airport.
The Qatar Airways Cargo Boeing 777 is the largest plane to ever serve the airport. Each week, it will carry up to an additional 200 tons of cargo into and out of our region and offer regional businesses a direct freighter connection to an expansive global cargo network.
The community said that they needed direct services. They didn't just want European services, they wanted international services, direct flights, direct routes, and we were able to deliver that. And we were able to deliver it twice a week on 777 freighters, connecting Pittsburgh to 160 destinations globally. And we hope it facilitates the development of Pittsburgh as a manufacturing hub.
Some of the cargo that the flight will transport into and out of our region include heavy electronics, pharmaceuticals, and high-value goods for cutting-edge companies focused on robotics, healthcare, science and technology, nuclear engineering, and energy.
It's a very big deal for the businesses that manufacture in this region or that import manufactured goods, and it's also really critical for us as a region in order to be able to grow our logistics ability and to grow our manufacturing base.
You know, for Qatar to pick Pittsburgh and be one of very few cities in America to have this opportunity is something that's going to be very exciting.
Pittsburgh is not just a city, it's the people. The people is what has made the difference in this community. The way they come together with one voice, one collective interest, and one passion to bring Pittsburgh to the forefront of the international community.
We are counting on our community being able to support this flight and this flight growing in terms of weekly frequencies and in terms of scope.
It's the first step towards a future where Pittsburgh is at the forefront of the international community, connecting our economy to the world.
Well, there you go. There's the population of Pittsburgh, possibly about 300,000, probably just over. So it's about half the population of Glasgow. And there is a community that has got together to improve their circumstances in their region and make it work. And connectivity is the most important thing when it comes to developing one's local economy, taking out efficiently what you produce and bringing in efficiently what you require. That is what it's all about, and that's what I want Transport Scotland to understand. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.